Duke Forest home, designed by Szostak Design, embodies a harmonious blend of natural and built environments, emphasizing sustainability and seamless integration with its woodland setting. This residential architecture spans 5,560 square feet and is structured around three main volumes: the Great Room, the Primary Wing, and the Guest Wing. The design facilitates an age-in-place lifestyle with open, single-floor living spaces. Notable features include abundant windows, a 15-foot-tall great room, a meditation hallway with full-height windows, solar panels, and a geothermal heating and cooling system. The use of materials such as thermally treated ash siding, white oak floors, and a stone chimney adds warmth and earthiness to the home, reflecting the surrounding natural beauty.